Are you dealing with stiffness in your hips from sitting so much and getting on the floor is not an option for you? If that is you, then you're going to love this video because I'm going to be sharing my top 3 exercises that are going to help you get some really great deep hip stretches. And especially the third one. Stay for all 3 because the third one is my favorite pose, and it's a double chair. We're going to be using 2 chairs. So it's called butterfly, seated butterfly with a double chair. And I can't wait for you to try them. They're just going to really help you feel good. So we're bringing the floor up to us and making really deep stretches available. Hi, I'm Suzanne Sherrard, and I'm a yoga teacher. I'm the founder of the Yoga and Movement Circle, where I work with women 40 plus, and I host 9 live Zoom sessions weekly. I teach chair yoga, chair Pilates, standing yoga, beginner weights, and all at the beginner and a little bit of intermediate level. And we also host a weekly wellness session. We have one big health goal per month that we work on: affirmations, gratitude. We do all different types of training every week, motivation, how to overcome procrastination. And so if any of this is resonating with you, then comment the word free yoga class. And I would love to have you join us for a free class. Come into the membership and just check it out and see how it feels, if it's a good fit for you. So I'll reach out to you and we can talk about which class is the best fit, which one is going to help you the most with what you physically are working on. And so before we get into the exercises, let me ask you a question. Are you sitting more than 4 hours a day? So let me know in the comments, yes or no. It's a really good thing to think about. How often, how much of your day are you sitting? We sit so much driving, working at our desk, etc. And so the thing is, you can watch the exercises, and consuming the information is the easy part, but doing it is where you're really going to get the benefit and you're really going to feel it. So I highly recommend that you pause the video and go grab you 2 armless chairs. Preferably they don't have wheels on them, so you want like maybe a kitchen table chair or any type of chair that's a sturdy chair that's not going to move. And that's all that you need. Just grab 2 chairs, pause the video, and I'll see you back here in just a second. Okay, I'm glad you joining me, and you're going to do this along with me. You have your secondary chair, 2 armless chairs. First pose is we're going to bring our legs in wide stance, open really, really wide. So I'm at the edge of my chair. I'm going to bring my legs open really wide and then my feet out to the side like this. So this is actually opposite of sitting. I take the arms off my office chair and I try to get my legs open wide, sometimes even when I'm working. So it's great to sit this way. Bring the palms facing forward right below the knees. We're going to push the legs back and nice slow inhale through the nose. And a slow exhale through the mouth as we round forward. Bring the forearms below the knees and push the legs back. Keep the head above the heart. Don't look up or down, just neutral with the neck. You can turn the head to the side too. And let's take an extra breath here. Inhale through the nose. And a slow exhale through the mouth. Push the legs back, 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 and really open the hips. And then let's bring our hands to our thighs and slowly come up. And then we'll just rest out of that pose. Just rest your hips. Stretch the neck down, knees towards each other. We'll take a breath. Nice slow breathing. Just relax your hips. And then we'll come up and we'll do that again. So walk the legs back, back, back. Inhale. Exhale, rounding forward. Just grab your elbows this time. And this time, push the knees back and hold them on their own. And again, if you want to turn your head to the side, we'll inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Push the legs back, 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 open the hips. Hands on the thighs, slowly coming up, and then we'll rest out of that pose. So just stretch the neck. Take a nice slow breath, rest. And then we're going to come to neutral. Now this second pose is crossing one leg over. So I want to give you a quick option if doing that is not available to you. There's a great way that you can do this pose, but it is a standing pose. So I'm going to stand up really quick and show you. So if this is a better option for you, move my camera. You can do this standing. I'm going to stand on the side of the chair, facing my chair. I'm going to cross my leg over, grab my ankle, and just bend down. And I'm trying to let my knee relax and sort of fall outward. So if you're not able to cross your leg while seated, this is a great option to do. Neck is aligned with the spine. I'm just kind of taking a deep squat, coming down, relaxing the knee down. And that's a good option for if crossing one leg over is not available to you. Let me turn my camera down just a little bit. Let's go into the second pose, seated. We're going to cross one leg over the other. Pull the leg into you, flex the foot, sit nice and tall. And if you don't have knee problems, you can press down below the knee, and it really opens up that hip. So this is really great for sciatica. And we're going to inhale, exhale, and just pull yourself down. I'm thinking nose to the calf. We'll do another breath. Inhale, exhale, pull yourself down. And one more time, third breath, inhale. You can either stay here or maybe come a little bit deeper and come up. So if you've been driving or sitting a lot, this is such a great stretch. Flex the foot, pull the leg in, push below the knee if that feels okay, and 3 breaths. Inhale, exhale, pull yourself down. 2 more. Pulling myself down, flexing the foot. 1 more breath. Think nose to the calf, and coming up. And my last pose to show you guys, my favorite pose. I love this. It's such a great pose. I do teach this on the mat, but we can do it in a chair. And I just have one of these little cheapy $15 fold-up metal chairs. You can use something like that as well. So ideally, bringing the chair close to you is what we want to do. And make sure that you have good balance. I am at the edge of my chair. The more that we can sit at the edge of the chair and bring the other chair up to us, the better. But make sure you have good balance. So if you need to scoot back in your chair, do that. And get your balance and bring your feet up like this on the chair. Now your feet may be like this. That's totally okay. But if you're able to bring them together, that's great. If you need to wiggle your chair around to get comfortable, scoot up. I'm trying to bring my legs as close to, feet as close to the pelvis as I can. So pull the legs in and clasp the hands over the feet, or they could be like this too. And we're going to sit up nice and tall, elongate the spine. Think of if you have like a pole on your back from the tailbone to the head, nice straight line. We're going to inhale. Exhale, just hinge down. Now when I hinge down, I have my elbows kind of on my upper calf, or my upper, right below my knee, I should say. My upper shins, not my calf. My elbows are right below my knee. And I'm kind of pulling myself down, trying to touch my elbows to my legs. We're just going to take a couple of breaths here. Exhale, maybe you can come lower. 1 more breath. We'll come up and let's just bring our feet forward and just kind of bounce a little bit and relax our hips. And we're going to do this 1 more time and come a little deeper. So pull the feet in, heel towards the pelvis is what we want. And we're going to just sit up nice and tall. Exhale. You can either grab the bottom of the chair or the top of the chair and just pull yourself forward. I'm trying to get my upper arms to touch my legs. Just see what kind of feels good. You can kind of bounce a little bit if that feels good to help you get down further. Just really stretch the hips. And we'll take a couple of breaths here. On the exhales, maybe you can pull yourself a little bit lower. Do what feels good. Don't devote too far if it's too much. One more breath, and we'll slowly come up. And we'll just bounce a little bit, just loosen up the hips. I have women tell me they love this double chair exercise. They've never tried it before. And I like using this double chair for quite a few different poses that we do on the floor, but we bring the floor up to us. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed those 3 exercises for stiffness in the hips. And again, if you would like to come and check out my membership, come and try a free class. See if you like the class, see if it physically helps you feel good. Comment free yoga class. I'll reach out to you. We'll see which class is the best fit for you, and I'll send you the Zoom link. So hands, heart, center, namaste. The light in me sees the light in you and honors you. And thank you so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the video. And I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye, my yoga friends. Take care.